So we are just an amazing property that is seriously in need of some work. There is so many features. We've got like vaulted ceilings here, original beams showing, lovely fireplaces in here, original stained glass on the doorway, things like that. So these are all original features that we're going to bring back to life and restore. There's a beautiful minted floor with the gorgeous staircase. Now this property that we're in has been on the market a little while, but it's about the vision, because remember, in real life we don't find great deals, we create great deals. So it's about finding an opportunity that other people may just not have had the vision for, but then going in there and going, yeah, when you've got the team, you've got the know-how, and you know exactly what you want to do with it, and knowing your outcome, it's about getting the best out of the property. So this is going to be an excellent property for passive income. This has multiple floor levels. We've got so many rooms. I think just offhand, looking around here, we're going to get at least 10, 11, even maybe 12 units of accommodation in here, a mixture of some bed-sit rooms with kitchenettes in, maybe some flats, and also some HMO floor space as well. So this is a multiple strategy unit just in one deal. So this is how to create 3 strategies in one deal for yourself. So just take the opportunity, go and find them, go and ring the agents and say, what properties are you struggling to sell right now? And it could be the area, but it could be the lack of vision that other people have had that have been to see it. Maybe you've got a different perspective, maybe you've got a better power team that can structure the deal architecturally, maybe you can speak to the planning office, maybe it was a planning problem where they didn't think they would get it through planning when actually I think it would. You know, there's lots and lots of different things that you have to look for. So think outside the box and remember, do the right things for the right reasons and keep watching. There will be much, much more coming soon.